In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach and send a folder in Gmail. Even though Gmail doesn't let you attach an entire folder directly, there's a simple workaround that works really well, and that's what we'll walk through together now. By the end of this video, you'll be able to send a whole folder of files in a single email, neatly packaged and easy for your recipient to download. First, make sure the folder you want to send is ready on your computer. It's a good idea to quickly look inside it and remove anything you don't want to share, and maybe rename the folder to something clear and recognizable. A descriptive name makes it easier for the person receiving the email to understand what's inside at a glance. Next, you'll need to compress or zip that folder. This turns the folder into a single file that Gmail can handle as an attachment. On most computers, you can do this by right-clicking the folder. On Windows, choose the option that says something like Send to, and then Compressed Zipped Folder. On a Mac, choose Compress from the menu. After a moment, you'll see a new file with a zip extension. That zip file is what we're going to attach to the email. Now, open Gmail in your browser and sign in if you haven't already. Click the Compose button to start a new email. In the new message window, add your recipient's email address, a clear subject line, and a short message explaining what you're sending. Mention that you've attached a zip file and briefly describe its contents so the recipient knows it's safe and expected. To attach your folder, look for the paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Click it and a File Explorer window will open. Navigate to where you saved the zip file, select it, and click Open. Gmail will start uploading the file. If it's large, this can take a bit of time, so wait until you see the attachment appear at the bottom of your message. Keep in mind that Gmail has an attachment size limit. If your zipped folder is too large, Gmail may suggest using Google Drive instead. In that case, you can upload the folder to Google Drive and insert a drive link, but the basic idea is the same. You're still sharing the entire folder at once. Once everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient will receive the email with the zipped folder attached, and they can download and unzip it on their end to access all the files.